Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Easy Glaze. So I did an oil change on my 2004 Toyota Sienna, and I put the recommended oil amount, and the dipstick on this is just terrible to read. It's like, I even had a buddy checking. He's like, what the hell? Like, yeah, anywho. So for whatever reason, it looks a little bit above where it's supposed to be on the dipstick, it's full. So anyway, I got a little trick with a big syringe and a long tube that you put it down in the dipstick through here, and you're able to basically suction it out. So here, let's show you. Here's what to do if you put a little bit too much oil when you're doing an oil change. I got a syringe here, big old syringe. Got the tube down the oil dipstick, and you just gotta extract, put some pressure, and just like that, the oil comes right out. I went about a quart over, so I didn't want to unscrew the drain plug, so this is the easier way out.